Anna, yes, I think for the cricket, they're not going to have the blue sky that's behind me here. In fact, it's going to be quite cloudy this afternoon. Bad light could become a problem later on today. And I'm not going to rule out the odd spot of rain either, but that won't amount to too much. Now, across the rest of Europe, they've been crying out for rain, crying out for cloud as well. There's been a widespread drought across many central and southern areas of Europe, and that looks as though it's going to continue. In some areas, it's been the worst drought for a considerable amount of time. Not only dry, but very hot, a searing heat wave. And perhaps what's most unusual is it's been right across up into the north of Europe, Scandinavia, seeing temperatures well above average, getting up to into the 30s Celsius. Now back home, thankfully, it's been fairly cloudy today, but over the next couple of days we will see the sun coming out, and that will allow temperatures to rise, not just in the south, but right across the United Kingdom into next week. So it does look as though we could have a bit of a heat wave next week. I'm not promising wall-to-wall sunshine for all, but the temperatures will be on the up, certainly. Now, today, we can see we've got a lot of cloud. The cloud's been gradually working its way eastwards, and it has given something in the way of rain from these weather fronts. You can also see there's tightly packed isobars. That means it's been quite windy. The winds will begin to ease in the northwest during this afternoon. So there's that cloud then. There's the rain that we've been seeing, not amounting to too much, but nuisance value certainly, gradually edging its way eastwards. And I think this afternoon we will continue to see a few spots of rain coming out of that across quite a big part of the United Kingdom. Out to the west, even behind it, it is cloudy, and there will be one or two showers, I think. The top temperatures today, well, we've been lucky because it's been quite bright in the southeast, so yes, 23 perhaps, but we've probably seen the highest temperature already. Elsewhere, 18 to 21. Now, overnight tonight, that weather front continues to move its way eastwards, with perhaps some heavier rain developing in the southwest by the end of the night. It does mean a cloudy night for all of us, a very close and humid one as well. Temperatures no lower than about 13 or 14 degrees. Into Friday, for England and Wales, and perhaps up into southern Scotland, it'll start off cloudy and overcast with one or two spots of rain. The brighter weather will be following on behind across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and that'll gradually edge its way eastwards into the afternoon. The top temperatures tomorrow, probably around 20 to 21. Into the weekend then, a drier and brighter picture, certainly those temperatures beginning to rise. 23, 24 Saturday, up to 26 Sunday, 28 by Monday. Across the northwest of Scotland, though, always staying cloudy here with the odd spot of rain. That's it for me. Back to